Can a light bulb moment help supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with light bulbs. And this is one of the newer idioms. It actually wasn't used, and it was probably used before this because it was by a comedian, Dick Cavett used it when he described getting an idea. He said, "It did strike me one day like the light bulb moment in a comic strip." Felix the Cat is the first comic strip that is actually credited with using the light bulb in the little bubbles, the little thought bubbles in cartoons. And since then, it's become very popular. We say, oh, I had an aha, an epiphany, a light bulb moment, a eureka moment, all different ways of describing when we get a good idea. There's a lot of different books and things written on. I just read a book summary in a book about generating and getting ideas and solving problems, because ideas are ways to solve problems, right? When we're looking for solutions to problems as we're growing and building and supersizing our business, because guess what? Problems come up when we're building our businesses. We have ideas, aha, epiphanies. I love personally to sleep on problems or challenges or setbacks or things that are coming up in my business as well as my personal life, because I find that my conscious mind tends to get in the way and clutter up some of the aspects of decision making and problem solving. But if I ask myself the question before I go to bed and sleep on it, all of a sudden I'll wake up with the solution. Why? Because my subconscious is always working on those type things. And if I get my conscious mind and my feelings and my emotions about the current situation out of the way, a lot of times that can bubble to the surface. So curious, how and have eureka or aha or light bulb moments impacted your ability to grow and build and supersize your business? Chances are your even having a business was because you had some kind of a light bulb moment or an epiphany or idea or a thought that inspired you enough to take action on it to build and create the business that you're working on right now. So share if you've got a story like that. Would love to hear it. Otherwise, have an absolutely fantastic day. Think about how you can incorporate creativity and problem solving and ideas and encourage ideas, not only within yourself, but within the people in your organization and the people that you partner with to help grow and build and supersize your business. That's it. Have an amazing day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.